BX, also known as flexible metallic conduit, features a thin-walled, corrugated metal tubing encased in a flexible copper or aluminum armor layer. Installation is relatively straightforward due to its ability to be easily bent and curved. Grounding with BX necessitates a separate grounding conductor. Its primary use was in residential and commercial buildings, typically for branch circuits. However, it's important to note that BX is no longer manufactured in the United States. AC, or armored cable, shares similarities with BX, but notable distinctions exist. The metal tubing in AC is thicker and more rigid. The armor is commonly made of galvanized steel. Compared to BX, AC is more challenging to bend and curve during installation. A key advantage of AC is its built-in grounding wire, simplifying the grounding process. AC finds applications similar to BX, including branch circuits and feeders. AC has effectively superseded BX as the preferred armored cable for electrical installations. A summary of the key differences between BX and AC can be broken down firstly by construction. BX utilizes thin-walled tubing with flexible copper or aluminum armor. AC employs thicker, rigid tubing with galvanized steel armor. Secondly, in terms of installation, BX is easy to bend and curve, while AC is more difficult to bend and curve. Thirdly, regarding grounding, BX requires a separate grounding conductor, whereas AC has a built-in grounding wire. Fourthly, with respect to usage, both are used for branch circuits, but AC is also used for feeders. Fifthly, availability-wise, BX is discontinued, while AC is currently manufactured. It is important to remember that both BX and AC cables offer protection to wires from physical damage and electromagnetic interference, often referred to as EMI. A related cable type, metal-clad cable, or MC, is a different type of armored cable. MC has a solid outer metal sheath instead of the tubing and armor found in BX and AC. MC provides a higher level of protection, but comes at a higher cost and is more difficult to install. When working with electrical wiring, understanding the specific type of cable is crucial for safe and effective installations. Differences exist between BX and AC cables which can be summarized. BX cable, characterized by its flexible metal conduit, offered a degree of protection for electrical conductors. AC cable, armored cable, improved upon this design with a built-in bonding strip for grounding purposes and a more robust construction. The key differences between BX and AC cables lie primarily in their grounding methods and construction. BX, or flexible metallic conduit, relies on the metal armor itself and the box connectors to provide a ground path. This method can be unreliable, especially if the connections become loose or corroded over time. Consequently, BX installations often require a separate grounding conductor to ensure safe and reliable ground. AC cable, or armored cable, incorporates a bonding strip, typically made of aluminum, that runs in continuous contact with the metal armor. This bonding strip provides a low impedance path for ground fault currents, enhancing safety. The presence of this bonding strip is a defining characteristic of AC cable. In terms of construction, BX cable features a more flexible helically wound metal armor. This flexibility allows for easier bending and maneuvering during installation, particularly in tight spaces. However, this flexibility also makes it more susceptible to damage. AC cable, while still flexible, generally has a slightly more rigid armor construction compared to BX. This added rigidity provides enhanced protection against physical damage, making AC cable a more durable option. Although both cable types share similarities, their distinctions in grounding and construction significantly impact their performance and safety. While BX cable served its purpose for many years, AC cables' improved grounding and more robust construction have made it the preferred choice for modern electrical installations.